The people who burn out faster are the people who try to do everything by their own. But in the era of AI, you don't need to do everything. Hi, my name is Gaurav Medawa. So let's start from the very basic one and let's understand what are AI agents. So AI agents are kind of digital assistant that use LLM as a brain, and then we build different tools where they work as a capabilities for these AI agents. So using that tools, these agents perform different tasks, and using the memory they remember the things and work like a digital assistant, or we call them as a AI employee, same as human assistant but in software format. So this is the workflow of AI agent, where they use LLM in the backend side, and they use different tools, memory and planning, and they perform the task. So that's how these digital workforce actually works. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about two major tools that are right now famous, and using that tools, you can build different type of AI agent. Now, before choosing any of these tools, you need to understand what type of AI agents you are going to build. So, if you're clear with the what type of AI agents you are going to build, then you can choose the platform wisely. So the one platform is N8n, where you can build generalized AI agents like sales, email automations, or different type of AI agents. While on the relevance side, relevance has different capabilities in terms of building agents. So if I give you more idea about relevance AI and difference between N8n and relevance, so relevance has better step control in each tool. So you can craft a tool and you can compile a different stacks of operation in one tool, but you cannot do this in N8n. So what you get in relevance AI is extra, and that is that their framework. So what you get extra in relevance AI is that you get a framework where you don't need to connect everything. You get pre-built things right there which you can use and build the AI agents. While N8n is a platform where it provides you to connect different tools, and it is more like a automation tool than a kind of agent tool. So let's understand the major difference between these two. So N8n's main purpose is to automate workflows across different apps, such as sending emails, fetching data, processing data, and then pushing the data to different tool. While in Relevance AI has some pre-built components. The one is that it has a RAG system, which is a kind of memory that you can use, which is not available in N8n. So N8n is kind of a generic platforms with generic frameworks built on LangChain. While Relevance AI has a RAG system, it has a memory tool, you can connect vector databases with it, and it has the better step control in each tool. So there are major differences between these two tools. So I'll pick one today, and we will continue with the Relevance AI, so you can have understanding about their difference here. So both are no code and low code tools. Both are you can use drag and drop logics. Best for N8n is best for Gmail, Slack, Google Sheet, or like it's more of a generalized agent. While relevance is something where you can perform different type of operations, better operations on particular data. Now, the N8n does not have any built-in memory support, while in relevance, it has a memory with a vector contextual retrieval. So, we call it as a RAG system and vector database. So, both are slightly different. RAG is something which provides you retrieval augmented text. So, it finds out the semantic meaning of a particular text, which is same done in by vector search. So, RAG is built upon the vector search. So today we are starting from the Relevance AI and we will understand all the nuances of Relevance AI. So let's start from the Relevance AI. Now before moving ahead to Relevance AI, you need to understand what type of AI agent you can build using Relevance AI. So there are different type of AI agents starting from the sales agent. The sales agent where you can automate a lead outreach qualification and build an appointment setter that will book different meetings with you. Now there is a research agent that qualify data that do research over a particular company lead and then it outreach them or qualifies them. Then there are marketing agents that we can build that can create content that can send personalized campaign based on the user behavior. And there are content agents, so you can create SEO blogs, you can create a content, you can even create AI avatar using Relevance AI. So after that, there are support agents, customer support agent. You can build CRM operation. You can build insight agent that can do particular research as it has integration of perplexity. So you can build a kind of research agent that provides you insight. So there are summary agents and automation agents. So there are multiple layers of AI agents that you can build using Relevance AI. Now remember the major thing. The Relevance AI has a very smooth user interface, but it has a limitation also. The limitations are that this platform is just starting up. So they don't have much of the features in terms of building capabilities. But what they provide is that they provide better step control on every tool, so which you can use, and you will understand while actually working on the Relevance AI. So let's start on directly to the Relevance AI. So here we are in the Relevance AI and let's understand the basic functionalities of Relevance. So Relevance AI has a framework that helps us to build the agent. Now the first functionality is that you can build an agent. So this is like a agent where you can prompt the agent and then you can provide the access of the tools. Using the tools, it can perform a particular task. Now there are different tools that you can build using the Relevance AI, and there comes the beta function. You can kind of drive a automation, and you can define a workflow of the tools and agents together. Now, the main thing that is not available in the N8N but available in the Relevance is the knowledge base. So this knowledge is something where you can upload the data and you can get the access of this data into the agent. So it will work as a knowledge base for the agent. Now there are different more functionalities like MCP and the custom GPT actions that are in the beta functions. So if you don't know about the MCP, you can watch my video there. I have explained what MCP is. So in MCP, you don't need to connect a lot of different tools. You just connect one time, one authorization, and then you are giving the access of all different tools in one go. Okay, so let's understand. Let's go to the templates and let's understand what type of different AI agents are there. So you can just figure out a different type of AI agents over here. Let's see how the agent actually look like. And let me show you what I have built in Relevance AI. So this is how a particular agent, the core of an agent looks like. So you can see that in the prompt section of the agent, the user has defined that this is the agent. This is the role of the agent. Thereafter, it has given the context about what task it needs to do. And in the standard of operational procedure, SOP, it has defined how this agent is going to perform the particular task using the particular tool, extract leads from LinkedIn post. Now, after that, this tools is completed. Update the user with how many leads were added in the link to Google Sheet. Now, the user has built a particular tool here which you can access and see how this tool is built. Now I have also built a tool and let me show you how it actually works. So as we go to the tool section of it, I have built this tool which is called as email. So this tool is something that research about my leads using their LinkedIn profile and using my email. It sends them a hyper personalized email and it pitches our product and services to the client. So this tool is something start from the input and it start from the getting knowledge. So I have uploaded a list of leads in the knowledge base where I have uploaded a lead list. In that there are a lot of founders, e-commerce founders, which this agent with this tool will send them a hyper personalized email. Now how? So the first it has a get knowledge section and it is a Python code. It's a very small snippet of code I have written. So this what it actually do is that it will get the people whom it haven't sent any prior message or email. So it will get the data of those people. So anytime when you are sending to anytime when this tool is sending to mail to different people, it will find out unique people then it has already sent. Now it will get their LinkedIn profile, company post, and using the company post, it will extract their profile URL. Then this is the LLM model we have used here. So in the LLM part, this tool is instructed in a manner that it will first take the understanding of the data, and as it is trained on my company, my product, and my service, then it will craft a hyper personalized email using the data that is extracted using the profile of the particular person, and it will send them a very hyper personalized email. So you can read the prompt here. Now, after that, it will come up with a JSON format. So the JSON format is a kind of format that is used to send data from one module to different module in a variable format. Now here this JSON data is broken down into two different variables. Where this email component will be broken down into the one is subject, another is an email. Now this is the email component that will send the person the subject and it will send them the email content. You could just see here the email subject is here and the email body is here. So it is defined in two different variables. Now, whatever or whomever this agent or this tool is sending message or email, it will save the data that it has sent the mail to that particular person. So I will be able to see whom it has sent the email. Now let's run this tool and let's see how it goes. So I'm running the tool right now and it will send to email to different leads and I can see the leads here. Now, I will be able to see the different mails right here as it's sent. So it says that status is success. It has sent the email. Now we can see the email in my real email. So as you are here, you can just see here that it has sent the email. Now you can just see the time of the leads 0 minute. Just now 5:20 at here. So hey Bonnie, I love how we level up beautiful blends, foreign culture with modern aesthetics. What a unique approach as a fellow founder. I know the struggle of managing customer support and engagement while trying to scale. So you could read the entire email here. Now I have set the limit for 3 to 5 people, so it sends the email according to the limited people. Now I can change this to many people here using the Python code. So here I can change to 5 to 10 people. Now the best thing I can do is that I can save this tool and I can run this tool at a particular time, which I can do using workforce. So as I come to the workforce, you can just see the workforce here and I can create a trigger that will run in the morning, or I can say email send tool, email tool. So daily it will run on this and I'm setting the recurring schedule here. Now I can connect my tool here. So this is the tool I want to run at 12. So it will automatically run at this particular timing. Now I save the changes. So at every 12 p.m. or every day, this tool will run and will fetch out leads from my knowledge base and will send them a very hyper personalized email. Now you could see my knowledge here. So this is the lead list. You can just see. So here we can see that these tool has sent email to these many peoples, and it will update the email or the status of the email here. So anytime when this tool will run, it will find out the people whom it hasn't sent the message, or they are unique or they are new, and it will update after sending the email here. So if you are looking for the same tool, I will give the link in the description box where you can download the same tool and you can use it for yourself. I will see you in the next video.